Hello my lovelies, today we're going to be making this beautiful double cross blanket. So we're going to start off by making a slip knot. We're then going to chain up a multiple of 6. You can chain as many as you'd like as long as it is a multiple of 6, and then at the end we're going to add on 7 chains. Once we've completed our chain, we're then going to work into the 4th chain from the hook and pop in a double crochet. We're then going to work 1 double crochet into each chain all the way across until we reach the end. For row 2 we're going to chain up 2, and this will count as our first double crochet. We're then going to turn our work and we're going to work 1 double crochet into each stitch all the way across. When we get to the end, we're going to pop 1 double crochet into the top of the chain 2 from the beginning. For row 3, we're going to chain 2, and this is going to count as our first double crochet. We're then going to skip 2 stitches and work into the 3rd. We're going to go to the bottom of our double crochet from the previous row and work into the base of that, and we're going to pop a double crochet into there. We're then going to go back to the 2nd stitch that we skipped, and we're going to pop a double crochet into there just as usual. We're then going to go back to the 1st stitch that we skipped, and we're going to work a double crochet into the base of that one. So we've got the first double crochet we skipped, and here is the base. So we're going to yarn over, go into the base from the side, slip our hook through, and then create our double crochet. And here you can see we've created our double crochet cross. So we're now going to go to the next stitch available, and we're going to put 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. That is our repeat for this row, so we're going to work the cross stitch over the next 3 stitches, then 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 after that, and you just repeat that until you get to the end of the row. So I'm just going to continue working these stitches and let it play a little bit longer so that you can get a better understanding of how we work these stitches. Please pause the video if you need to, or you can rewind if you need to catch up on a certain part. And also drop a comment below if you need any help. I'm always here to help out. So at the end of the row you should have 4 stitches left, and in the next 3 you're going to work your cross stitch as usual, so skip those 2, work a double crochet into the base of the 3rd. Then we're going to work a double crochet into the 2nd stitch that we skipped, which should be the closest to the double crochet you've just completed. And then we're going to create a double crochet into the base of the 1st stitch that we skipped. Now you should have 1 stitch left, which should be the chain 2, and we're going to pop 1 double crochet into the top of the chain 2. And this is what your work should look like so far. For row 4 we're going to chain up 2, and then we're going to turn our work. And the chain 2 counts as our first double crochet, so we're going to go across to the next stitch and pop in a double crochet. Then we're just going to work 1 double crochet into each stitch all the way across. At the end of the row we're going to pop 1 double crochet into the top of the chain 2, and that is row 4 complete. For row 5 we're going to chain up 2, and this counts as our first double crochet. Then we're going to turn our work, and we're going to put 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. We're then going to be making the cross stitch again, so we're going to skip 2 stitches and we're going to work a double crochet into the base of the 3rd stitch. Then we're going to be working into the 2nd skip stitch, and we're going to put a double crochet in there just as usual. Then we're going to work the last part of our cross stitch, so we're going to come to the 1st skip stitch, go to the base and work a double crochet into there. And we're going to repeat those last 6 stitches all the way across, so we're going to put 1 double crochet in each of the next 3, and then the next 3 will be making our cross stitch. So repeat that to the end and I'll meet you there. When you get to the last 4 stitches, you're going to put 1 double crochet in each stitch. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 3, and then 1 double crochet into the top of the chain 2. And that is your pattern repeat, so you're just going to repeat rows 2 to 5 until you get to the length that you'd require. If you'd like the written pattern for this, you can find it for free on my website, or you can get the ad-free PDF on my Etsy. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys. If you have, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.